Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ, and yes, we are dropping back into Rollercoin. Now, it's been a couple of days since the beginning of the Halloween event, and we're going to check out what's been going on, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so we are here at Rollercoin, and as I said in the intro, it has been now a couple of days since the beginning of the Halloween event, and I want to know, how are you guys getting on? Have you completed selling or burning all of your miners, and what are the results? Hopefully you've managed to up the amount of power you've got and also up the amount of bonuses you've got, which obviously in turn then ups the amount of power. So that is the premise, and that is basically the point of this burning process. Get rid of your old miners, up your account, up your power, up your bonus, and let's see how we've got on. Now, some things have changed. You're going to immediately see a change in my account if we just drop in there now. Now, I have basically finished pretty much burning all of my miners, and you can see in the last video that we did, when we started before the event, before I started burning anything, I had 166 petahash in my account. You can now see I have 193 petahash in my account. So that is not a bad a bad boost. That's a pretty good boost. But we also had 243 bonus. You can now see we've got 248. So that is an increase of basically 5% on that bonus. That means obviously that helps up our power even more. Okay, so I have ended up in a bit of a quandary. If we drop in here, you can see these are all of the miners from the event. We've got the 1 petahash, the 3 petahash, we've got the 1.9 petahash there, and then we've got basically the others. I've put the little cat one over there, and so basically we claimed everything that I was hoping we were going to be able to claim. Now, the quandary I've ended up in is, if we drop into the event here, I've got 13,325 coins left. Now, what I was hoping to do was basically get rid of all my other miners that I've got and end up with around 30,000. So we could claim another one of those 1 petahash miners. Now, I've looked at various different things. If just looking at the lower powered miners from my inventory, the best I can do is another 6,000 coins, which is only going to give me 19,000 coins, which means we're 10,000 short. Now, the other thing I could do is I could burn some of the bigger miners to get that 10,000. But the thing is basically the ones I would burn, which give the most amount of coins, virtually equate to a petahash anyway. So you know you're not really going to be gaining a lot. So I don't really see the point in it. Obviously, you know, there are, like, I was speaking to my man Lucas. What he's decided to do is he's basically taken some of his bigger miners, he's putting them on the marketplace, selling them off, buying some of the smaller miners, like a large amount of smaller miners, let's say about 20 of them, that give a good amount of coins when you burn them, and then that's how he's doing it. The thing is that I've looked into that, and for me, I don't really think it's going to work that well. So basically what we're doing, and I told you not to do this, so don't do this, but with 13,000, we have the ability to open 2 of the loot boxes that are in here. And we're going to get into that real soon. But something that has kind of annoyed me with this is if we go through the inventory, and we look at these, I've got numerous ones of these. There's another miner I've got like 12 of, which I think is this. We've got 12 of these. If we go into the shop and I want to sell them, we go to miners. All these lower powered miners that I've got loads of that I could just sell them off. I can't, because we've got this whole thing that Rollercoin brought in, which I think is totally ridiculous. And because the thing is, it's, fair enough for lower accounts, you guys are probably going to want to hang on to these because they're going to give you, some power, but they don't give you any bonus. And also as well, like this one, I've got 12, but I can't sell them. I could burn them and not get, and basically they give you hardly anything. So it's not like it's really going to be able to get me much closer to getting that petahash miner. So basically I would be burning them for no reason. I would just be burning them. But the thing is, I can't sell them. And then the other annoying thing is it's these miners that they are giving away in the mini events. So all that's happening is we are getting accounts full of these miners and we can't do anything with them, which is just, well, it's just massively annoying and really, I just think ridiculous. Rollercoin say that, they want to help the members and stuff like that. Whereas obviously if we had these and we were able to sell these, I could put that 12 on there. Sure, I might only get for the whole 12 1 or 2 RLT, but at least I can put that 1 or 2 RLT towards something that's actually worthwhile, or even just use it to buy parts or something like that is useful. Whereas having an account full of miners that basically give you hardly any power and they give you no bonus power, but you can't sell them, that is completely ridiculous as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, I'm getting off my soapbox now. It just annoyed me because, like I said, I just can't do anything with them. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video, and that's like a tutorial. So that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of those free coins. But if you go to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So anyway, we're gonna drop into if we go in here and then we can go to the Halloween shop. Now obviously, ideally we would like to get the skull miner, but I'm not holding my breath on that because, like I say, I think it is something like about a 1% chance you're going to get that. The Devil's Carnival, now that, because the thing is a skull miner, yes, it gives you 7 petahash, but it only actually gives you a 1% bonus. Now the Devil's Carnival, that gives you nearly 1 petahash, but it also gives you 1% bonus. So that thrown into my account plus the 1% bonus, that probably would then equate to a petahash at least. So that would be the second ideal. The DJ Bone at 255, that doesn't give you any kind of bonus, and the Haunted House at 125 doesn't give you any kind of bonus either. So basically it's really the top 2 that we're looking for. So I don't really want to do this, but the thing is, I can't think of another way of doing it because I've only got 13,000. I essentially need another, 17,000 coins to get the petahash, and I can't do that with what I've got in my inventory. Like I say, that only equates to 6,000. And then, if you're looking for another, 10,000, just 11,000. You know, I just can't do that. I've got no way of doing it without sacrificing miners, which, like I say, basically I would have to sacrifice 2 miners, and they would basically come to about, I think it's about 500 to 600,000. So, I mean, I would gain 500,000, but I mean, is it really worth that? I mean, admittedly, I could do this and gain nothing, or 125,000. So, ooh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to roll the dice purely for your entertainment. We're going to do this. So, cross fingers. What we're looking for is at least one of the top 2. So, here we go. DJ Bone, you know, at least it's not the white one, you know. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that we've done it once. I'm going to go back out, and then I'm going to sort of reset the site. Okay, we're back. So again, we'll drop in here. We go to the shop, and we've got, oh, I didn't actually see how much we got. 6,825. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I got the crap one. Well, that was it. You know, it like I say, I mean, the percentage on these things of getting the top 2 are really low. So, I mean, basically, we had to have the gods smiling on us to basically get either one of those. But that's it. My event is over. I've got nearly 30,000, nearly 30 petahash out of the event. I'm happy with that. And obviously, the thing is, we still have the rest of the season to go at. You can see I'm pretty much halfway through level 6. We drop into here again. I haven't done any of my games today, so I've still got, obviously, the games to play. I've still got my 20, my 50, and that's it. So basically, all I've done is the subscribe, the like and share, and the spend 15 RLT. So by the end of that, we're going to be pretty close. You know, we're going to get, you know, about 3/4 of the way there. Tomorrow we should be through that, I'm guessing. And yeah, and obviously we're also getting pretty close. Well, not pretty close, but closer. If we drop into the wallet here, we look at our Bitcoin that we've been collecting. We're now up to 33. We have 17 in here. So that's 50. And we need 99. So about halfway there. And then obviously once we do that, we're then going to end up claiming all of these rewards down here, which is going to give us, you know, some good mine. I mean, there's a, you know, half a petahash miner there. And then, you know, as we go through, we're going to hopefully get as many prizes as we can on top of the 30 petahash that we've just claimed through this event. The other thing is that obviously in the last video, I was sitting at 1,124th place. I'm now at 962nd place in the leaderboard. Obviously, I did say that if I could get into the top 800, that would be absolutely ideal. And that's sort of what we were aiming at. So cross fingers, we can get there by the end of this season, which is, I keep flicking all around, don't I? 46 days and 20 hours remaining. So just over a month, and we'll see what the results are for us at the end of that. Okay, so I just wanted to bring that to you, show you how I've got on, the decisions I've made, and like I say, post below this video, let me know how you're getting on. Have you finished like me? Have you finished your burning? What power did you gain? What bonus did you gain? If you're not finished burning yet, how close are you? How much power have you gained so far? Tell us all those things in the post below this video. I always love to hear it. And obviously, if you have any questions at all about Rollercoin, put it in the post below the video and I will answer them as soon as I can. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful, fun and informative. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.